One day, Little Rabbit and Little Turtle met on a hill. "I am fast, very fast," Little Rabbit said proudly.
Let's have a race.
"No problem." "Ready? Go!" Rabbit goes fast. Hop, hop, hop. Tortoise goes slow, step by step. Little Rabbit was far ahead. He thought Little Turtle could not catch up. So he rested under a tree. Soon he fell asleep. Little Turtle kept crawling and trying his best. He caught up to the sleeping rabbit. "Oh no! He's almost at the finish line!" Little Rabbit shouted. Little Turtle crossed the finish line. He won the race. "I should not be so proud," said Little Rabbit sadly.